Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Science and Technology Zone. Kindly subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. In this video, I will talk on the biochemistry and molecular basis of diseases. The biochemistry of diseases involves the study of the biochemical processes and molecular mechanisms that contribute to the development and progression of various diseases. This includes understanding the interactions between proteins, enzymes, and other biomolecules that are involved in the development of the disease. For example, in cancer, the abnormal growth and proliferation of cells are caused by changes in the regulation of key signaling pathways, such as the PEEK/ACT/mTOR or the RAS/RAF/MEK/ERK pathway. These changes can result from mutations in oncogenes or tumor suppressor genes, alterations in DNA methylation or histone modification, or dysregulation of miRNA expression. Similarly, in diabetes, the dysfunction of insulin-producing cells in the pancreas or the resistance of cells to insulin action can lead to elevated blood glucose levels. This is caused by the dysregulation of key metabolic pathways, such as glucose uptake and utilization, fatty acid metabolism, and insulin signaling. Inflammatory diseases, such as rheumatoid arthritis, involve the activation of the immune system and the release of cytokines and other inflammatory mediators. These mediators can activate various signaling pathways and enzymes, such as cyclooxygenases and lipoxygenases, which contribute to the inflammation and tissue damage observed in the disease. Understanding the biochemistry of diseases is essential in developing effective treatments that target the underlying molecular mechanisms of the disease. This can include developing drugs that target specific enzymes or signaling pathways involved in the disease, or developing therapies that modulate the expression of specific genes or proteins. The biochemistry of diseases provides a fundamental understanding of the molecular basis of disease, which can lead to the development of new and improved treatments that improve patient outcomes. The molecular basis of disease refers to the underlying molecular and cellular mechanisms that contribute to the development and progression of various diseases. It involves understanding how changes at the molecular level, such as alterations in DNA, RNA, or protein structure and function, can affect cellular processes and lead to disease. E.g., mutations in genes that control cell growth/division, such as the tumor suppressor genes TP53/ERBA1, can lead to the uncontrolled proliferation of cells, contribute to the development of cancer. Mutations in genes that regulate glucose metabolism, such as the insulin receptor gene, can lead to insulin resistance and the development of type 2 diabetes. Understanding the molecular basis of disease also involves identifying the molecular pathways and signaling networks that are disrupted in disease states, e.g. in Alzheimer's disease. Accumulation of amyloid beta protein in the brain leads to the activation of inflammatory pathways and production of reactive oxygen species, which contribute to neuronal damage/cognitive decline. Developing effective treatments for diseases often involves targeting specific molecules or pathways that are dysregulated in the disease state. For example, drugs that target specific molecular targets in cancer cells, such as tyrosine kinases or DNA repair enzymes, can inhibit cancer cell growth and improve patient outcomes. Understanding the molecular basis of disease is essential in developing new and effective treatments that target the underlying molecular mechanisms of the disease. This requires a detailed understanding of the molecular pathways and signaling networks involved in disease development, as well as the identification of novel molecular targets that can be exploited for therapeutic benefit. Kindly subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos.